Hello and welcome to this week's video in which I wanted to see what all this AI hoopla was all about. So I sat down with a robot and after a few minutes roaming around in my mind, this is what the robot came back with. But here's the question of the week: can AI design Lego? Well, I'm gonna immediately answer that with a resounding no. It cannot. I'm not saying these aren't amazing images, and some of them even look almost like Lego builds, or at least have a pretty good potential to becoming something you can attempt to make. But let's be real here, it's clearly just Legofying a picture of a thing. Most of them feel like they came straight out of a wild night in Amsterdam where Don't Mind This was on the menu. But there is a point to this besides the wonder of it all. I'm actually gonna try and make one of these out of my Lego inventory for real. I would love to have one ready for you now, but I spent a little bit too much time with the robot. I got an Eminem Rap song for you about Lego. So make sure you leave a like and subscribe, or I will rap it for you. So feel free to tune in next week where I'll be revealing a real life creation of one of these, made by a real human, as far as you know. And as always, I'm gonna let this play out, and thank you for watching. Until next time, you have a nice day. Bye.